Hello everyone, you are welcome to this section. In this section, we want to look at formatting cells. So we want to look at how to format cells. So formatting has to do with changing the styles of your contents or data you have inputted into your Excel worksheets. So for example, we have a title header which is cash payment. So to make this text bigger and make it look centered, or even though not centered, let's then make it bigger. So we quickly come to this portion here. So you can just go through and you see how bigger it's becoming. This is how to format. Okay, let's go with 24. You can also change the font size or the font type. Yes, you can change the font type, so anyone you like that you want to make use of, you can go ahead. So I'll go with this one, so which it makes it different or distinct. It makes it different from others, so and it's bigger. So in formatting, there are other couple of options too. So like you can change the style, the background. Come to this part here where you have cell styles. You can change the background, you can add color to your text. Let me close that. First of all, let's deal with this one. This is the text. You can change the color, the text color here. Change the color. You can also change this line. You can change the background also to make it unique and different. So that you now come to styles here. Go to cell style, output, warning text. You can also change the style completely. Let's have, okay, this one is for heading. So you can apply the styles. So we can also try it on the entire sheet. So you can add styles on the background, change the color and everything. For example, let me duplicate this down to 10. Duplicate this one also. So you have to do that, have everything highlighted. Then when you're ready, go to the styles and choose anyone you like. So you are done with that, so you can, let's have another color for this one. So this is what is called formatting. Some of the styles can make the text border to disappear, so just be careful or make sure the one you are choosing is the right one. So for example, let me have it selected once again. If you have something like this, so your border will just disappear. So but don't worry, you can always have that fixed. So come to this box here. After the U, you can have a couple of options here. So you see bottom border, left border, right border, no border, all borders. So when you click all borders, everything will be set. So you can also align the content, the data in your worksheet. You can align it to the left, to the right, center. So the idea is just to make everything legible to see, to visible and clearly, so that when you want to read them, you'll be able to read it properly. You can align them up or down. You can. So to wrap up this session, one of the most useful tools in Excel is to help you calculate anything whatsoever you want to do on Excel. It can help you, just like we have here. It's already taking the data I've installed here: number, cluster, currency, accounting, short date, so long date. So it helps you calculate the date. It helps you calculate the date on the long run, the short date and the long date, the time. So if it comes to calculation, or maybe you are doing a kind of fraction, it helps you calculate percentage, fraction, the scientific cluster. So it helps you to organize and make sure to maintain your calculations and your predictions. So it is very, very important to note that. So on formatting, this is where we are going to end it. So see you in the next one.